Cayman 27's Medical Minute, brought to you by Chrissie Tomlinson Memorial Hospital.
On today's Medical Minute, we're meeting with Dr. Michelle Mon Desir to talk about women's health and annual checkups. Good evening.
Good evening. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining us. Tell us about the annual exams that men and women sometimes tend to overlook.
Yes. Well, we really want to talk today about women who many women forget that they need to get annual checkups, and it's very, very important for both men and women. But we are focusing today on women's health and the importance of the annual checkups.
And what kind of checks, or what do doctors look for in those annual exams?
Okay, so for women, we look for gynecological checks. So women must do their pap smear annually, the mammograms, blood work. Many times blood work can allow clues into different conditions that persons may have. So you do blood work along with your medical check. And
some people may worry about the cost. Are these annual exams covered by insurance?
Yes, yes. Chrissie Tomlinson will accept most of the local insurance companies, and most of them do cover for at least one basic medical check each year.
Okay. Now, you have a clinic down at the West Bay Centennial Towers, and the clinic there is sort of has an emphasis on women's health. Tell us about what you do there.
Yes. So, as I mentioned before, we look at weight loss. We look at doing pap smears. We will give referrals for mammograms. Chronic illnesses we will also be covering, for example, diabetes, hypertension. So it's important to come in and get your annual check, because we will do modifications in medication if you need to modify your medication. We do blood checks for your cholesterol, your blood sugar levels, and so on.
Okay, so those blood tests you were talking about, can you actually do walk-ins and for permits, different things like that as well?
Yes, we do work permit medicals. We will do comprehensive and executive medicals as well.
Okay.
So we will do a whole gamut of examinations there.
Well, how do people get in touch with you? I know there's a website as well as a telephone number they can call.
Yes, so they can contact me at 943-6066. That's the West Bay Medical Center at Centennial Towers. And you can also contact us at ChrissieTomlinson.com.
All right, thank you very much. That's today's segment of Medical Minute, all about women's health. Join us again next week.
Cayman 27's Medical Minute, brought to you by Chrissie Tomlinson Memorial Hospital.